Since the biennial is moving every 2 years to a new place, we need to start with the research, we need to create meaningful relationship with the stakeholders and with the partners in each host city. The education team has discovered a lot of cultural, educational and social associations which are already doing an amazing job in Palermo, and I think one of our goals is to enhance the cross-neighborhood collaboration in Palermo.
Not so much an accumulation of objects, but more the gathering together of people and the opening up of communication between one culture and another. The way you do this is you center it on one place. You bring people together to a single site or a series of locations. Elsewhere will come together and define themselves in relation to others. But more than this, we live in a global culture. It's a cliche. But we have now the resources, we have a technology that allows us to communicate in a way that we've never been able to do. Surely art can reflect this and can use this and develop from this. And so we want to find a way of not just making an exhibition, but using the exhibition as the starting point of something else. Using the exhibition, open up those lines of communication that I've been talking about and keep them open.
There are 77 artists, and there is not one painting on the wall, and that is true.
Of course, we were thinking in a European context, but it's also very difficult to say what is Europe now, and we tried to show that Europe is not the same now as it was.
Manifesto is very exciting because it involves two things. One, it involves the definition, a rather tentative definition of what our Europe could be today, and I think that's a place that's not defined by maps or political boundaries. Rather, it's something that can be held in the mind. It's a mental space. It's a space that needs to be defined by people, and people in their own places.
Possibilities of making a biennial relevant is the site specificity, making that all the crises happening in the world, climate change and immigration related to each other, but also the whole digitalization, automatization, robotization and how it affects our life, and how we see these crises not as something happening outside our world, but affecting even the city as a stage and the city as it is influenced by all these external factors. This is something which I thought comes so beautifully together in this city, which has this amazing history, this amazing 70 years past, but also this very challenging future. And if Manifesta 12 could provide a very modest, from our perspective, transformation, setting in, mobilizing, stimulating the key organizations and private persons in the city to work with us from a bottom-up level to stage something which is already noticeable, then Manifesta 12.
center it on one place. You bring people together to a single site or a series of locations.